Hi everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can fix your playback problem on your Spotify app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So make sure you have your app refreshed, because if it's like stop just once and then you got all frustrated, then just refresh your app and then again play that song and see if it works. And the other thing that you can do is go on your setting app and then you will find this option called apps. Tap on it, then again tap on this apps option above, then just search the Spotify and tap on the Spotify app. Then you can just finally tap on this option called power users details. Tap on it, and then you can see this option called app launch, where you can read background activity not restricted. That means there is no problem on my playback. So just tap on this option, and here you can see in the third option there is an option called run in background. Make sure that you have this option on your phone, and also enable this app launch option. Tap on it, and once you enable that, once you confirm that your app's background activity is not restricted, then you can just simply be assured that your Spotify app has no problem from your settings. And once you're done with the refreshing also, then you can again start playing your songs, and I think all the problems that you were having with your playback issue will be solved. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.